guys, Tech Kids here. If you came from our Mac video, then you'd probably know what we're talking about right now. We're going to be talking about iPad OS 14 and what's new. Oh, that's a sneak peek. Blur that. Editor, blur that. Okay, we're going to be talking about iPad OS 14 and all the new things that they added. I sadly don't have it on any phone at the moment, so maybe that will be coming in the future. But I currently have it on the iPad, on this iPad, and the link to the download the beta, it's a Dropbox link. It will be in the description. Anyway, just to go on, can you unlock that? Anyway, so Apple has at the WWDC 2020 event, Apple has talked like they've released a bunch of new stuff. I mean, sadly not much hardware, but on the software side, they've announced a lot. Honestly, they've announced the new Mac OS. They've announced the new iPad OS. They've announced the new TV OS, Watch OS, and iOS, and iPad OS. That's what we're going to be talking about right now. Anyway, let's get on with the features and the new updates. First of all, the main new thing are the widgets at the side. That's a calendar widget. That's a tips widget. And if you want to add any widgets, you just turned it into jiggle mode, as they said at the event. Online jiggle mode, you just hold this thing. And wait, yeah, now you're in jiggle mode. As you can see, the apps are jiggling. And you can actually add, okay, there's many widgets that you can add. All you have to do is click on the plus icon at the top, and then you can add a bunch of these widgets. And I personally really recommend the Smart Stack. Where's that? Okay, right there. Let me drag it in real quick. This is a flop. Okay, yeah. So now you have, I'm dragging, this is not Smart Stack, that's a different one. This is a Notes widget. You can drag that into your Today, Now Today thing. And it just drags right in there, and it clicks. As you can see, I have a weather one installed, this thing, and tips and calendar. These personally are my favorites. There's also a news down there. There's also a Smart Stack feature where you have multiple widgets into the same one. You can actually make your own stack if you put both of them up like that. Now it's a stack. So as you can see, let me add that one to this thing. Oh, dang it. It's not going. Okay, anyway, now this is a stack between notes and weather. So I basically have both of them into the same one. Widgets were the main feature. I mean, Android's had that forever, but we should appreciate what Apple added finally. I personally think they look better on iOS than they do on Android, but I mean, people have opinions. Another main feature that, a main update that was added is Siri. As you can see, instead of taking up the whole screen, it's just in the corner like that. And it's doing something. What is, oh gosh. I don't care if you don't understand Siri. Okay. Yeah, there are many, like, that was one of the main things too. Also, some of the apps are redesigned, like the settings app. Now it has these rectangles around. It's upside down. I think it's fine. Yeah, it has these, it's made into rectangles. As you can see, that's an update. And like I showed in the Mac video, the messages is the same. A screenshot will be on the screen right now. That's the same too. One thing I forgot on the Mac OS Big Sur video was in messages. It's a really cool feature. It's called message effects. So to do a message effect, all you have to do is, okay, this is, wait, yeah. Okay, this is currently, yeah, I'm gonna do a message effect real quick. So all you have to do is say, look. I mean, you can say whatever you want, but I'm gonna personally say, look at this. And then you have that typing. Now you carefully go to the app icon thingy, and then click on message effects. As you can see, my cursor is on it right now. Message effects. Then you have a bunch of these, like this heart balloon, balloons, regular balloons, invisible ink, confetti, and you have many others like slam. My personal favorite, I think, is lasers. Whoever's reading the message will be looking at this and sound effects, which would be really cool. So just to demonstrate, I'm gonna do fireworks, which would look like this, and I'm going to send. Okay, wait. Okay, this is a test. Message effects, and then you click on fireworks, and then you click on the send button. On your other device, you get that, and then this is what you're going to be seeing on the other device. Isn't that cool? I mean, I personally think it's a really cool feature. I mean, it's not really that helpful, but it's a really cool party trick if you want it. Like, and it's just a really cool feature. Other than that, there are some apps that are completely redesigned. Like reminders, there's settings, like I said, there's news, there's clock, there's a bunch of apps that are redesigned. The main one was messages, I already showed you that. Mail is different. And there's also, where'd it go? Yeah, this was on the iPhone, I'm not sure if it's on here. Yeah, so you can you can make folder. There's a smart folder at the edge that has all of your apps, that has all your apps, and that it's automatically organized into folders, like it's a smart feature. And also we need the keyboard. Keyboard, okay. The spotlight search. Spotlight search is different. This is without, if you have any like external keyboard that you connect to your iPad or anything. This is how it would look without the keyboard. It's redesigned. As you can see, a picture of the old spotlight search is on the keyboard right now. This is going a little slower than I thought. Anyway, let me put the keyboard on. I know it's not the $200 one Apple gives. Okay, let me X that out. Okay. I have the keyboard and the command space shortcut. And it looks exactly like the MacBook spotlight search. No, show the Mac. Yeah, no, a screenshot is on the screen right now. Sorry if I'm not keeping up with these screenshot things. I mean, I have to watch through every single video again and again. Anyway, yeah, those were the main features for iPad OS 14. And mostly those features are also in iOS. So if you're looking for any features from that, those are in this video too. Anyway, that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.